Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once here, tap on the Support and About section and tap on Report a Problem. In the search box at the top, type How to Go Live. Tap on the top result that comes up, usually titled How to Start a Live. Scroll down again to the bottom and tap on the thumbs down icon to indicate that the problem isn't resolved. A message will then appear confirming that your feedback has been submitted. Scroll further down and tap on Need More Help. In the feedback box, type a message like the following. Hi there! Could you please enable the live feature on my account? I currently don't have access to it. Thanks a lot. Once done or once satisfied, tap the red Submit button underneath the message box. After submitting the feedback, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that your feedback has been submitted. Now, you just need to wait for TikTok's response. They will review requests and let you know whether they can enable the live feature on your account. Take note to just be patient. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.